Welcome y'all to Robin on the Farm. Today I'm making a really easy bread machine recipe that's also a little bit different. This is poppy seed egg bread. This is a savory, unsweet poppy seed egg bread, perfect for sandwiches, toast. It has a rich, buttery texture and it's so good with the poppy seeds. So let me just show you exactly how to make it. I'm going to throw all of the ingredients into my bread machine loaf pan and get it going in the bread machine. I'm going to start with a half a cup or 120 grams of warm milk. You want this to be about 100 to 110 degrees. That's perfect for your yeast. Now I'm using whole milk, but you can also use a lower fat milk, skim milk, a nut milk, any kind of milk alternative will be just fine for this recipe. Now I'm going to add the eggs. I'm going to add 3 large eggs. This is going to give us a really good, soft, and rich crumb. So 3 large eggs right on into your bread machine loaf pan. After the eggs, now I'm going to add some melted butter. This is salted melted butter. This is 3 tablespoons or about 42 grams of melted butter. I just melted it up in my little cast iron melting pot that I love so much. I'm using salted butter, but if you only have unsalted butter, that'll be just fine for this recipe too. Next, I'm going to add some sugar. I'm going to add some granulated sugar. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons or about 25 grams of this sugar. Now, if you'd like to, you can substitute some honey, maple syrup, some stevia, anything like that will work just fine in this recipe too. Now I'm going to add some bread flour. This is 3 cups or 360 grams of flour. I do prefer the bread flour. It has higher protein content. You're going to get a better rise, a better chew out of your bread. But you can also use all-purpose flour and you can also use fresh milled flour. And I'll put a note of that in the recipe. So 3 cups or 360 grams of flour. I weighed all of my ingredients to give you the most accurate measurements possible. So 360 grams or 3 cups. Now I'm going to add some poppy seeds. These are my Azure Market poppy seeds. This is a 1 pound bag of poppy seeds that was under $5. That's why I love Azure so much, because when I buy my poppy seeds in those little teeny tiny containers from the grocery store, it's about the same price. So this is way more bang for your buck right here. Okay, so for this recipe, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon or about 8 grams of poppy seeds. Just add that right on in there with everything else. One of the reasons why I love this poppy seed egg bread is because these poppy seeds are going to get dispersed throughout the entire loaf, not just on top. So I like that about this recipe. Now it's time for the salt. Now you can use any salt that you like, but I really like this Redmond's Real Salt. It's an unrefined mineral salt and it's from North America. So I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons, which is about 9 grams of this salt. Do not pour it over your bread machine loaf pan just in case you over pour. So 1.5 teaspoons right on in there. Last, we're going to add some yeast. I really love this Staff Instant yeast. This is what I like to use, but you can also use active dry yeast. You can use bread machine yeast, rapid rise, anything will work in this recipe. But I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons or about 5 grams of this yeast. I store mine in the freezer. I like to buy it in bulk like this, store it in the freezer, and it's going to last forever. Mine sure does. Okay, now these are already all of our ingredients for this really, really good poppy seed egg bread. I'm going to go ahead and throw this into my Zojirushi bread machine. This is my trusty old Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme. I literally have made thousands of loaves of bread in this thing. It is such a great bread machine. Now today I'm going to go ahead and make this entirely in my bread machine. So I'm going to choose a basic white cycle. I like a light crust. I'm going to press start, and that is all there is to it. I am going to check on my ball of dough in about 5 minutes and just make sure it doesn't need any more flour or water, and then I'll know that my bread will turn out really well. So I'll show it to you then. It's been about 5 minutes. I'm just checking on my ball of dough. You can see that it's smooth, it doesn't look too wet, doesn't look too dry. So this is exactly what you want your ball of dough to look like as it mixes and kneads in your bread machine. Now that I know that my ball of dough looks good, I'm just going to shut the lid and let the bread machine do all the work. I just turned this loaf out from the bread machine loaf pan and I am just brushing it up with some butter. Doesn't this loaf look delicious? Now I'm going to cover it up with a tea towel. I'm going to let it cool and then I'm going to slice into it. This loaf of bread machine poppy seed egg bread has cooled just a bit and I am going to go ahead and slice into it. It looks so good with those poppy seeds and it smells absolutely delicious. Oh, look at that. That looks really good. Let's slice into it a little bit more. Get into the middle of it. I love using my bread machine, especially during these summer months when it's so hot outside. It was almost 100 degrees here today. And so instead of turning on my oven, I just made this in the bread machine. Didn't heat up my home at all. Look at that. Doesn't that look so good? I love seeing all the poppy seeds in it. So let's just tear into this. Oh, this one turned out really, really great. The egg bread really turns out soft and fluffy. It has such a good texture. Look at that. This is really great, especially for being made entirely in the bread machine. Normally, I really do like my breads made using the dough cycle and baked in the oven when I use my bread machine, but this one turned out really, really great. Let me take a little bite of this and I'll tell you how it is. I am partial to egg breads. Egg breads are rich. This one is buttery. I love the subtle taste that these poppy seeds give it. Just a little bit earthy and nutty. It just goes together really, really well with this loaf of bread. So this is a good one and I hope that you'll give it a try. Now this is technically a 1.5 pound loaf of bread machine bread, but because this one rises so well with those eggs and is so fluffy, I don't recommend making a 2 pound loaf of this bread in your bread machine. So I recommend using this 1.5 pound recipe, whether you'd like to make a 1.5 pound loaf or a 2 pound loaf. I'll also leave you the recipe for a 1 pound loaf if you'd like to make this recipe in a smaller bread machine. I'm going to leave the printable recipe for this bread machine poppy seed egg bread down in the description and on my website, robinonthefarm.com. And if you're looking for a plastic-free alternative to those plastic bread bags, I like to store my bread in these handmade beeswax bread bags. You can also find those on our website. Thanks so much for being here with me on Robin on the Farm. I hope you love your homemade bread.
Robin's in the kitchen, dough beneath her hands, wheat from the fields and eggs from her land. Sunlight through the window, a warm golden glow. She's working hard to make that dough. With flour on her apron, loving each need, ground wheat fresh, sowing her seed. The smell of fresh bread rises in the air. Simple life without a care. In Robin's kitchen, dreams come alive. Each loaf of bread a reason to strive. From sunrise to sunset, her heart's on show, working hard to make the dough.